Here are the top 3 takeaways from a media ministry perspective of Apple's recent announcement about their own set of AI tools called Apple Intelligence. YouTube starts experimenting with some new features, including thumbnail A/B testing, QR codes, and mentioning of channels in the comment section. WhatsApp releases new features powered by Meta AI, a Meta verified program, and new in-app calling feature for businesses. More details about these three and useful news items related to LinkedIn and Google Ads coming up in this weekly edition of the Connected Church News with me, Natchi Lazarus. Welcome. This is the show that brings you the top 5 digital, social media, AI, and emerging tech news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Here are the top 3 takeaways from a media ministry perspective on Apple's recent announcement about their own set of AI tools. First thing is content creation. You will be able to create written content and images or videos within Apple devices without needing any other third-party tool. ChatGPT is now directly built into Apple devices. The second thing is all of this happens based on the context of the device on which you are using this. For example, let's say you're using a ministry phone which has all your sermon, your interaction with other leaders of your ministry, your notes, anything like that. It will use all that information as a context to generate content, which means it's going to sound like you. The third big thing is privacy focus, because the moment you hear about these features, you're thinking, what? It's going to read all my messages and mails? Apple says most of the activity is going to happen on device. YouTube announced that they are starting to experiment a few new features, including the ability to create a QR code for your channel that you can easily share with your audience. But there are 3 other big news items that I want to bring to your notice. First is a thumbnail testing feature. You can now select 3 thumbnails and you can do a A/B testing between them and see which performs better for about a 2-week period and then choose the winner. The next announcement is about expanded YouTube Studio payment experience. So far, creators who were getting paid in USD were able to see all their payment details inside YouTube itself, not having to go to AdSense. Now, this is being rolled out to users who are getting paid in all currencies. Note that this feature is available for users who have only one channel connected to one AdSense account. The third feature is mentioning of YouTube channels in your comment section. Google has launched a new ad format inside Google Ads called Google TV Network. This format gives you access to a huge inventory of channels, 125 plus channels that are already available inside Google TV. You also get access to 20 million monthly active users who regularly use Google OS or Android TV OS to watch their favorite programs on their smart televisions like Sony, Hisense, and various other brands. Currently, the ad format includes non-skippable ads and 6-second bumper ads. Google says they are coming up with more ad formats in the days to come. You can use Google TV Network to plan, to buy, and also to measure the effectiveness of your Google TV campaigns alongside your other digital campaigns that you're releasing on Google Ads. Seems like a great option if you are coming up with a major event for your nonprofit or ministry. This week's news episode is brought to you by Connected Church Academy. Connected Church Academy is an education hub for the faith-based community. So if you are a leader or a media team member of a nonprofit, a church, or a faith-based organization, then this is something you might want to check out. You can go to cca.live. That is our webpage, cca.live, to get more details. LinkedIn has released a new ad placement option called The Wire. The announcement says that this premium video ad placement allows brands to run in-stream video ads alongside trusted publisher content like Barron's, Bloomberg, and the Wall Street Journal. So basically, if you imagine one of your audience looking at a Wall Street Journal video on LinkedIn, your ad can now appear alongside that video, which could be helpful if you're trying to reach a particular group of people on LinkedIn. This announcement also says that you will be able to use AI tools like Microsoft Designer for your creative process when you create ad assets, or you can use it for text compositions, ad copies, and various automations in your ad creation process as well. WhatsApp has announced that they are building multiple new features into the business platform. WhatsApp says that they are now using Meta AI to help businesses answer complex questions that are asked by their users. So, as a non-profit church or ministry, if people are asking you questions, you can use Meta AI to answer those questions. Second is Meta Verified plan. There is a new program called Meta Verified for businesses that is being rolled out to new locations like Brazil, India, Indonesia, and Colombia. The organizations will be able to get verified. They get the verified badge on their account, and they get protection from impersonation, enhanced support from WhatsApp, and also the ability to use WhatsApp across multiple devices. They also released a feature called calling inside the app for larger organizations, because WhatsApp says that one of the big problems is for people to reach large organizations instantly. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, then this might be a good time to do that so that you're always on top of all the news items related to digital, social media, and AI.